To add Klarna to Apple Pay, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of the Klarna app installed. Open the Klarna app and sign into your account. Then navigate to the Payment Methods section. Look for the option to add Klarna to a digital wallet, and select Apple Pay from the list of available options. You will be prompted to open the wallet app on your device, where you will see a prompt to add your Klarna card. Review the terms and conditions. Then tap Agree to add the card to your wallet. You may be asked to verify your identity, which can be done by following the on-screen instructions. Once your Klarna card has been added, you can use it to make payments with Apple Pay wherever contactless payments are accepted. You can also use Klarna with Apple Pay online by selecting the Apple Pay option at checkout and authenticating with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. To manage your Klarna card in the Wallet app, open the app and tap on the card, where you will see options to view your transactions, make payments, and adjust your settings. It is essential to keep your device and Klarna app up to date to ensure the security and functionality of your account. Also, be aware of the fees and terms associated with using Klarna with Apple Pay, as these may vary depending on your location and the type of transaction. By following these steps, you can easily add Klarna to Apple Pay and enjoy the convenience of making payments with your iPhone, Apple Watch, or other compatible device.